So we're looking at an espresso machine. This one's very simple, very basic. For the last 10 years, I've been using a manual espresso machine. So this was actually kind of cool because it makes espresso a lot quicker. Here on the back, we have a water holding tank. You can see I've got about that much there, but I only have to change this really every so often, or add more water every so often. This bottom part here, it's got a metal grate. Then this plastic tray comes out. All this, you can take it out to clean any of the drippings. So let's just go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna make what I usually make every day. It's just an iced latte, and it's delicious if you're looking for a recipe. We'll go ahead and turn it on here. So I used some cacao powder, and since it's kind of powdery, what I do to help mix this into the drink is, do I even have any left? I usually put a bigger scoop up in there, but it just so happens I'm out. 2-pound bag, that was a lot. Then I also use this sea salt caramel, this specific brand I believe to be the best. The milk I use, organic, whole milk. So when you turn it on, once these are all done blinking, they're ready to go. But we're gonna go ahead, we'll pack up a shot. I'm gonna use the double cup. Just sits right up into there. Obviously you wanna get your beans from your favorite coffee shop or whoever the heck sells beans that you really like, because you wanna make sure you get the fresh beans. With this tamper, I'm not shoving it down super hard at all. I just kind of barely get it to the fill line. There's a fill line, I'm actually kind of above it. Probably should go down just a hair. But then this just, move this, and locks into place. I put my cup under it and I hit the 2-cup option. And I just sit and wait. I usually use a little straw just to kind of stir in the chocolate with the, look at that, chroma, looking good. The caramel, I add about yay much. Stir this up really good. Pour it in with the caramel. Stir it again. Get that caramel a little bit warm. And I add the milk. About yay full. And top it off with ice. Delicious. But I was surprised, it definitely is a lot quicker than my manual one. Works really good. They also have this little frother option here for hot drinks, and blows steam up in there. But I always drank the iced lattes because that's just what I like. So yeah, that's it. Simple to use. Plug it in, turn it on. It's ready to go within just a couple seconds, and makes great espresso.